I'm here with Scott from Two Brothers Foundation, and we wanted to tell you something about the foundation work and inspections. Hey Scott, just want to ask you, when we call you out to check on foundation, what are you going to do and how do you do that?
So first we start outside. We look at any visual damage along the brick or the exterior of the home. We look at the expansion joints to see if they're starting to separate more than they're supposed to, and then we go inside. We take elevations with our zip level. We make a reference point roughly around the center of the house, and then we go throughout the first floor and we take elevations and see if there's too much of a slope in one area compared to the other. We allow a 1-inch tolerance every 15 feet, so if the elevation difference from the reference point to that point is about 1 inch, then we'd want to start to recommend some foundation repairs.
Okay. So what do you recommend for homeowners who don't have foundation problems to prevent that in the future?
We want to make sure the soil is moist, not too moist, but not too dry. Unfortunately, we live in Houston where we always get the extremes of both, but we want to make sure that the soil around the foundation is continuously moist, water around the foundation a few times a week, or we recommend a soaker hose. It keeps the soil moist and can prevent you from ever needing work.
Okay. All right, well, Scott, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.